Hello and welcome to our channel, guys. Today we are going to share with you a very amazing recipe of Domino's style tacos. I can say for sure these are better than the market ones. So in a pan I am taking 1.5 cups of overcooked rice. To this we will add 1 cup of boiled rajma and some chopped coriander, some chopped green chilies too, and we will be adding half to 1 squeezed lemon. To this we are adding half teaspoon of mango powder and half teaspoon of roasted jeera powder and salt to taste. Now we are going to give it a very nice mix. So once this is nicely mixed, we are going to make small patties out of it like this. We can make 10 to 12 patties at a time and we can keep it aside. So next we are going to make the batter for the patties. For this I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half cup of cornstarch, to which I'm adding water to get a consistency like this. And we also need some breadcrumbs. Now for making the patties, we have to dip our patty first in the batter and then we have to coat it with the breadcrumbs. So I'm using a spoon so that my hands are not getting dirty, and then I'm just coating it nicely with the breadcrumbs to get these beautiful looking patties. We will now start to fry those patties. So I have heated my oil on medium heat and I have dipped those patties one by one, and we will let them shallow fry. We will take these patties out once they are golden brown and keep them aside. So for the sauce, we are going to make the harissa sauce, for which we need 10 to 15 red chilies dried, and we are going to dip them in 1.5 glass of water and we are going to give it a boil for 10 minutes. After this we are going to let them cool down and we will take their stem out. Now the other ingredients for the harissa sauce are fresh coriander, some green chilies, 3 to 4 I'm taking, and we need some cloves of garlic and 1 lemon, salt to taste, and half tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now we have to take a blender jar and we will be adding all these ingredients into the jar and we are going to blend it. So I have added coriander and some green chilies also. There goes the cumin seeds. So we will be adding 3 to 4 garlic cloves and we need 1/4 cup of water so that it can blend easily. We will add everything and we will give it a mix. So this sauce is going to be very spicy. To tone it down a little and enhance the taste, we are going to add 1 cup of mayonnaise and we will be adding 2 spoons of the sauce that we just made and we are going to give it a mix. You can adjust the quantity of the sauce as per your taste. So if you like very spicy, you can add a little more sauce, or if not, you can also decrease the quantity of the sauce. So as you can see, I have added 1 more spoon of the sauce to the mixture, and after this the taste of the sauce was perfect for me. And we are done. The harissa sauce is ready. Now I am taking a homemade lachha paratha as the base for the taco. You can also buy the ready-made parathas from the market. Those are half-cooked parathas, lachha parathas that you can find in the market. So as you can see, I have added a generous amount of harissa sauce on the paratha and I have sprinkled some Mexican seasoning on the top, and then I'm adding some cheese cubes Now we will just add our patty to it and we will cover it. So I'm just pressing a little and I'm holding it a little bit and I'm turning it the other way around so that it does not open up. Now we just have to toast our taco. So on a heated tawa, I have placed a little butter and I am toasting my taco on top of it. So we need to toss it the other way around also so that it is nicely cooked. I am going to give the details of the ingredients below in the description box. Trust me, the taste is at another level. You will really love it. So do try this and let us know your experience. Thank you for watching.